This is the SX360Z series, which is a grade 2 movement sensor for high ceiling mount security applications with a detection diameter of up to 18 meters. The sensor employs a unique zoom function which creates a highly dense triple element detection pattern that provides unsurpassed detection performance at a ceiling height of up to 5 meters. The sensor utilizes our advanced temperature protection and noise reduction circuit, as well as our double conductive shielding for industry-leading sunlight protection. This has been the SX360Z series, and for more information on this and anything else OPTEX, please visit our website.